Happy New Year, lovelies! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you my New Year special fried rice recipe with a side of stir-fried beef. First, I'll start by pouring my washed chicken into my pot. I wash them with salt so they are neatly washed and left for a while to drain the water. And then I have my spice already mixed. After pouring the spices inside, I'll give this a gentle massage just so that all the ingredients can be well incorporated. Set this aside. Go ahead to chop my onion. I'll be transferring my chopped onion into my pot. I also want to use some fresh garlic. Okay. Lastly, I'll be seasoning it with some blended Scotch Bonnet pepper and some seasoning cubes and some salt, and stir it. Once we're done with that, we'll cover our pot and put it on fire. While our chicken is cooking, we'll be preparing our chicken breast for stir frying. All we have to do is just to dry them. I'm using a paper towel for this. This is just so we can take out the excess water and have a dry chicken. That way it's going to be easy to marinate and you won't have water coming out when you are stir frying. So that's done. We'll go ahead to cut this into tiny bits as usual. Okay, next we'll be transferring our diced chicken into our bowl. I have my beef. I'm going to be cutting this the same way I cut my chicken. So I'm going to cut them into very flat, very thin layers. This is how thin it is. I'll go ahead to cut them into tiny sizes. Next, I'll be transferring this into my bowl. Next, I'll be seasoning it with some salt and then go in with my mixed spices and then massage gently so everything can combine. I'll be seasoning it with a teaspoon of dark soy sauce and a teaspoon of sesame oil and a teaspoon of olive oil. I will massage this and leave it in my refrigerator to marinate for 30 minutes to an hour. Next, I'll be seasoning my chicken breast. And also season it with a pinch of salt. We have to be very careful. Massage gently. I also set this aside to marinate. Next, we'll be prepping our veggies and we'll be starting by slicing our spring onion. We'll further transfer this into our bowl. Next, we'll be chopping our bell peppers. As you can see, they are already washed, so I'll just chop them. So for our special fried rice, we're chopping the bell peppers into cubes. I'll be transferring this into my bowl just to make way for others to be chopped as well. Next, we'll be slicing our carrots. For our beef stir fry, we'll also slice our carrots. Lastly, we'll be chopping our onion. So guys, our chicken is ready. We'll be transferring this into our air fryer basket. And then we will put this into our air fryer and go ahead to air fry. It's time to put the rice on fire. So first I'll be greasing my pan with some cooking butter, followed by some vegetable oil. I'll be going in with my chopped garlic, some onion, and my blended Scotch Bonnet pepper, and then going with my basmati rice. And then I'll give this a stir. And And then I'll go in with some chicken broth and give it a stir, followed by some seasoning cubes, some spices, black pepper, rosemary, thyme, paprika and chili pepper. And then I'll give this a stir. And I'll add some water, making 6 cups of basmati rice, and I'm using 4 cups of water. Lastly, I'll be going in with some salt. Just ensure that your water is slightly above your rice. Next, I'll be covering my pot. So we'll leave this to cook until it comes to a boil, and then we'll leave it on a low heat to cook slowly until our rice is ready. So we'll be going in with our beef. Our beef is ready. We'll be going in with some minced garlic. Next, we'll be going in with some onion, our carrots, followed by our bell pepper. We stir all of this to combine. We'll go in with our fried beef. Going with some thyme, some dry parsley, black pepper, some white pepper, and ground chili pepper for a bit of spice, a little spring onion, 1 bouillon cube, some sesame oil, oyster sauce, and soy sauce. We'll stir this. And we're going with some chicken broth, and we'll leave it to simmer on a low heat for a few minutes. Guys, our side is ready. We'll set this aside and continue with our cooking. We're about to do a stir fry. First, we'll be starting with our scrambled egg. So we'll just heat up. Yes, my love. Say hello. Yes. So we'll just wait for our oil to heat up a bit before we go in with our eggs. Our egg is well fried. We'll be taking this out. Next, we'll be stir frying our marinated chicken breasts. Our chicken is well fried. We'll be taking this out. I'll be adding some extra vegetable oil to my pan. I'll be going in with a little cooking butter. You could add the butter first before the vegetable oil. Next, I'll be going in with my minced garlic, followed by our shrimps. This is so that the flavor of the garlic incorporates into the shrimps. Next, we'll be going with some chopped onion, followed by our chopped carrots, followed by our bell peppers. Okay, so we've added our sweet corn, green peas, and our runner beans, and we'll go ahead to stir. So go in with our scrambled egg, our stir-fried chicken. We'll go ahead to stir this. And we'll go in with some chili pepper, rosemary, thyme, herbs, and dry parsley. We'll also stir this to combine. Also going with some bouillon cubes and some salt. I'm also going with a tablespoon of soy sauce, oyster sauce, and sesame oil. Our stir fry is ready. We'll be transferring this into our already cooked rice. We're giving this a good stir to combine. We're going in with some spring onion. We'll go ahead to stir this. This is just so that everything incorporates. Lovelies, our New Year special fried rice and a side beef stir fry is ready. This recipe is so amazing. My family enjoyed it and we all had a nice time eating it. Please leave a comment on the comment section letting me know what you think about this recipe, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.